Hold on. Oh, hold on, guys. We got charger. Okay, wait. Because this boy. Hey, where's your charging?
Oh no.
This side, I think. This side. Is that side? Okay, correct.
Oh no, that's not a happy
Okay,
home.
put on the charger. What's
Not a-
this? Why are you... What happened to the house?
That's a tornado.
Because of the
That's
tornado?
not a happy home anymore.
Show me the tornado. I didn't see it
There.
properly. Oh,
That's not
I
a
thought
happy
it's just a
home.
small tornado. Why is it?
That's not a happy home. It's just studs.
Oh, where are the
It's
people?
just bricks. They're
Yeah.
there. They're next to here.
I
will
don't
just
like-
stay in here.
I
Stay
don't
in
like
here.
that natural
I will just
disaster.
stay here. I will just stay here. The disaster will not go here.
The disaster will not go there.
Oh look, it's just
Another tornado. Is that the same tornado?
yeah.
Or it's a new one?
It's the same.
Until how many minutes before the disaster stop?
When it gets there, it's just in a second.
Okay. Did everyone survive?
I think because people died.
Okay, how about we choose another game?
Okay.
I want a cute game. Let me choose.
Um,
Let me choose. How about that?
no.
That.
No, I'm gonna play another.
I choose the game. The SpongeBob.
No, I don't.
What?
I'm Obi.
Obi, it's scary.
It's not.
Oh, it's not scary. The nice Obi. I want the cute Obi. Because I want the cute... Oh, you want to jump. Obi means obstacle, you said, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the goal? Where are you going? This kid wants to always do the obstacles. I want the avatar. You don't like? Is this a stairs or what? Flat? I cannot see properly.
Stairs.
Bebe, I cannot see properly. It says it's stairs. What level is this? Stage 5? It says stage 5. Stage 5. What else?
Oh, I know how to do that.
Hi friends, please like and subscribe our
someone
channel so we can earn from our YouTube.
It's this one.
We've been
This one.
on YouTube for
need to-
5 years now.
Okay, I'm gonna jump because the. Oh, this one. It's this girl. It's this girl. Okay.
Jump. Who's the other girl? You don't know?
Okay.
You don't know who's the player? We can also do a Toka live, Jacob, next time. Yeah.
No, but it's not online. Online only.
No, dear, we're just showing it. And
Oh no, I forgot. Oh no.
what did you forget?
Oh no. I don't want to get hacked.
I did not show your names. It's not showing here now.
I don't want to get hacked.
Yeah, we don't
They're
get...
gonna get my Robux.
Don't say you got Robux.
And
Just pretend. Guys, we don't have Robux. Just pretend. We don't have Robux. Don't hack us, guys. That's not nice. Let's just watch our play, okay? Oh, hi! There are people that are watching. Joe. Who's the other one? He say hello. Hi, guys. Hi, friends. Look at what we're playing. Wow. I like this rainbow stairs. It's going to the sky.
Oh no, it's disappearing! Oh no! I'm gonna play another game.
Okay, I want a nice one.
The catalog.
Show it to Mama.
Mm-hmm.
The catalog. This is the avatar. I cannot see it properly. Show me your...
These are the same outfits.
I like this outfit. Hi. What's happening this?